Hi folks, thanks for popping in. This is a very brief segment 2 of my 1/16 scale Caterpillar 22, as I dub Winter Special. Know full and well that is not accurate, but I certainly do like the sound of it. What you're looking at here in front of us now is the 3D design, the final 3D design of this edition, if you will. Reason why I say edition is that we've had several different cabs designed and built for this particular model, each of which had their own little issue, or 15 to say the least. Thank you for to the Antique Caterpillar Machinery Owners Club users, especially Pete C. Thank you for your dedication. This has been a project that I certainly could not have done without your assistance, so thank you. Give you a quick rotation here of the 3D model. So this is obviously not how it's going to be 3D printed. This is just the way it's going to look on top of the model when it's complete. If you haven't seen the segment 1, I would encourage you to do so. There have been a couple of different updates since then, and might make some more sense to you as to what we're doing if you take a look at that first segment. So here is the final. Let's see if I can find somewhere lost in the space here. Bear with me for a moment. Here we are. Alright, so on the left, that was our first attempt. The roof was okay, but it's actually got a curve from left to right, even as much as it does from front to back. I also made these doors swinging out like a regular house door, if you will. They are in fact sliders, so made some modifications. We put on a sliding door. Problems, of course, we've encountered with this particular model because of the roof. We had to make some changes, and also made some changes to the front louvered vent area, and started over here, took off those vents, added this very elaborate and bulbous roof on top of the cabin. I guess I just got a little bit carried away. So we had to tone that down a little bit, and we come over here. Roof was pretty much perfected. And at this point, if you look at the back of that model, the back of this actually went over the rear seat of the 22 model, and it's supposed to go actually behind it. So this right here is the finished model. I just didn't put the text on this particular one. And just so you see how everything is being printed, obviously it's not being printed just like this here. Everything is part by part and piece by piece. So this is the layout of each 3D file, an STL file. And you'll see the roof came out in 2 different pieces. Rotate this a little bit for you to see a little bit easier. The front portion of the roof has some very intricate details, so we had to separate that, and that's what we're printing. So right now, if you take a look at this tall piece here, that is the back portion of the roof, which we're printing from front to back, but in a vertical format, and that is currently what is being printed. Like all pieces of this model, this is actually going to be done in fine detail, so it's 1/10 of a millimeter per layer, and we're moving along nice and easily here. So thanks for popping in. I'll have an update for you next couple of days here once the model gets a little bit further along. Have a great day.